In today's class, we will explore the science with scientific tools.
Science is not just in book, it is everywhere. And today in this class we will learn about science with practical.
Here I am having my handmade microscope. In this we used to see microorganisms in very zoomer way.
Students, do you know what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are present everywhere, but they are not seen by our naked eye. They are present in water, soil, plants, everywhere.
Microorganisms are present in the skin.
Yes, they are present everywhere in our world. Yes, my dear friends, even on our 1 centimeter skin there are at least 5 million bacteria present. Even if you wash it, they are always on it.
There are 5 types of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, virus.
Are the tiniest and rarest microorganisms in the world.
What kind of device it is? This device is known as yes, it is a microscope. It is used to see the bigger image of microscope. Cell is smallest unit of life. There are 2 types of cells. One cell and animal cell.
This is animal cell. It has many parts.
This is plant cell and it is also in many parts.
This is eyepiece. This is armature. This is the base of eyepiece.
Yes, friends, do you know this microscope is used to see the microorganisms in bigger size? Yes, Aisha, do you know how to see?
Yeah, first of all we will put this something under the heat, then we have to see from next. Yes, this is the armature and this is the pause button. We can adjust it to see it. This is the diaphragm of microscope. This helps to go like in the microscope.
This is a DNA cell of our body. This contains important information.
These 2 lines are called double columns. The green color is adenine and the orange color is thymine and the blue color is guanine.
Plant cell has cellulose as its outermost part.
This is nucleus. This is centrosome, and this is lysosome.
Nucleus control all the functions of cell.
The outer layer of the animal cell is made up of plasma, which is the composition of protein and fats.
The outermost layer of plant cell is made from cellulose. This is complex substance. This is hard to digest human. That's why animals digest.
Kidney model, which is which is important for excretion. Do you know what is excretion? Please tell me. The human kidney model, and there are 2 kidneys present in the human body.
The smallest unit of kidney is nephron. There are 1 billion nephron in a human kidney.
This is the inner part of the kidney. It have nephrons that clean the water, clean the blood and make the urine out. In the excretory system, we have 1 pair of kidney, 1 urethra, 1 urinary bladder and 1 pair of ureters. We have to drink so much water to make our kidney healthy.
Yes.
Yes, students, I suggest you to drink lots of water to stay healthy.